The recommended oil change interval on this car is every 10,000 miles or every 12 months, which one comes first. If you want to care more about your car, do it more often, like every 6,000 miles or so, but it should never exceed 10,000 miles. So first step is to locate under the hood the oil cap, the oil dipstick, and the oil filter housing, which is down there by the intake manifold. Now we can open the oil cap to allow the airflow to drain the oil out faster. Raise the car from this point on the frame and secure it on jack stands. You can also place something behind the wheel for extra safety. Now place some safety glasses on, and under the car slightly on the passenger side you'll find the oil drain bolt. So have prepared the recipient to catch the oil and undo the bolt. If it does not come out, there is an older video I made on how to remove the oil drain bolt on cheap cars. So before completely unplugging the bolt, hold it on with your left hand and pull it upwards so you will avoid getting oil on your hands. Remember about the copper gasket, which might be on the oil pan. After the oil is out, torque the bolt to around 15 foot-pounds. Next is to install the new filter and the new oil. The part number of the filter is on the screen, and the oil I used is 5W30. So about the oil viscosity, it can vary depending on where you live, if it's warm or more cold. To open the oil filter housing, use a 27mm socket and a long extension. On this car it can be easily accessed and removed. On the filter cap you can replace the gasket, place the new filter in and tighten it back into the filter housing. The torque spec is written on top, is 25 Newton meters. Finally, after adding the new oil, which will be around 5 liters, check the dipstick, and obviously it should be within those two red marks. And that's it, job done. Thanks for watching, and remember to check other videos about this car. There will be a playlist on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.